Hello, and we have another unboxing video. This one is going to be for the Pipsticks January 2021 booster box. So let's get this shininess open and see what goodies are inside. Alright, and this month's theme was all the feels. And here you can see a whole bunch of thumbs up and I love yous in sign language as the pattern theme. So let's take these seals off the side and see what's inside. All right, so here is our first sticker sheet that is on top. Let's zoom in to get a closer look and see what is on these sheets. Says love is shining. So let's get this reflective packaging off and see what it looks like. So these are kind of shiny stickers, and these are just super classic cute stickers with hearts and circles and stars. So those are super fun. And next in the stack we have the postcards that say yay and have a little heart where your stamp goes. So yay! Yay! Next up is the inspiring check or plaid. So let's see what's in here. It's really stuck in there. It's open at the top. And so let's dump all of this out and see what's in here. All right, so we have some squares of stickers in the different patterns. And then we have some hearts in the same, and then some kind of circle borders, rectangular. Those tabs, those aren't quite tabs, are they? And then ruffle kind of borders, so that's fun and cute. Just an assortment of solid paper. Alright, there's that. Alright, and here we have Pipsticks sticker confetti. Unceremoniously dump these out. Oops, and they all turned upside down. So we have some tiny stars and hearts, and then bigger stars in a whole bunch of different varieties, all with gold foil. So these are just super graphic and fun. And I think that they did the sticker confetti in the December box, if I remember correctly. Here's the sticker confetti. All right, and next up we have these see-through stickers from Mopard. There we go. All right, so these I think are almost like washi flakes. They're kind of clear, but I think they have like laser printed, basically screen printed. So they're somewhat translucent. So you just have some super sweet bows and things. Let's see if we can get one started. See how they peel off. Oh, that one's not coming off. Let's keep on looking. So we still have some other sweet bows. This would be really cute to kind of put on figures that you already have in your planner, your sticker artwork or whatnot. Just cute, super sweet things. Here are some stripes. Oh, there we go. Okay, they are clear stickers. They're just really, really hard to get off. So there we go, super thin, clear plastic stickers. There we go. Problem solved. And they're just really stuck to their acetate backing. They're all just die cut in one piece. So you could always fussy cut or cut apart those stripes. All right, next up we have our Traveler's Notebook. And then this one has super cute strawberries and graphic leaves on it. It's packaged really well. Where are my scissors? Here's a blade. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, the notebook is kind of a semi-gloss feel. So it's not glossy, but it's not matte. So it's a semi-gloss, and this one has just a blank inside. So this is super cute for Valentine's Day or even just the spring. So that's really cute. Next up, we have some deco number stickers that are gradient, and we also have some from the same company, it looks like, in a slightly different colorway with letters. So let's take a closer look at those. So there we have it. Just some really cute numbers with a little bit of gold outlining accent. And then I think the same is going to go for these. These are a little bit warmer than their number counterparts. So there we have the letters. Nice and smooth. The gold is a little bit embossed. All right, here we have some heart stickers. These look transparent. There we go. So these are, I think these are whole sheets. Yeah, I think this whole sheet is actually a sticker. Yeah, there we go. No, they're actually die cut. So these stickers are die cut. So you can just peel these off. So you have the bigger ones, smaller ones, and then, ooh, you have some transparent dots, circles. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, there we go. You can see those are cut out. Those are super cute. I am in love with vellum stuff right now, especially like vellum sticky notes and vellum like dots. I haven't gotten any vellum dots or sticky notes, but I see them and they are super cute. Moving on, we've got some cute little pigs here and they're seen. This is from Nikoni Designs. I think we've seen this company before in other Pipsticks boxes. They tend to have these themed animal characters in them with a scene behind them. So these pigs are in a, I don't know, lake scene. So here we have them. Let's grab a sheet of paper. Let's bring these just a little bit closer. So there you can see the cute little piggies. We got a drinking piggy. Got a little cat, and then we have, I don't know, something else right there. So those are super cute. All right, and same company, different character. These are, I'm gonna say these are red pandas, a lot like Retzko from Agretzko. If y'all haven't watched that show, it is super fun. The episodes are super short and they're really cute. And these red pandas are in a nighttime farm river scene. Okay, let's look at these cute little characters close up. All right, there Just doing all sorts of little things. These would go really well just in a letter, on a postcard, in your planner, just to make it super cute. All right, and now we have some dots. Looks like from aqua teal to a peachy coral color. Let's see what all these sheets in this pack are. All right, so this one, it looks like that's an imperfection. Is this supposed to be like a moon or something? You know, oh yes, this is supposed to be kind of like a scene that is cut out, and this I think is supposed to be a moon. It's not actually a printing problem. So there's this scene, and there's this one. It looks kind of like a sky shot. Pink to teal, and then you have the teal to kind of the reddish coral with the moon in the center. So those are pretty fun. Those, you could use those as little accents and things like that in your journaling and whatnot. And here we have some cute kitty stickers. Let's take off this reflective packaging so we can get a better look at them. All right, and these are clear stickers. So let's bring these a little closer so y'all can see them. So this is just fun little cats, cute, cute, cute. Let's get some black paper so you can see that a little bit better. And you can see that that white is translucent, so it is a little translucent. So you could put this on darker paper and still have them stand out. So they used white ink to print this. Super cute. Send a letter to the cat lover in your life. All right, and here are some stickers. These look like the same as the alphabet and number stickers. These are just bigger and cute. They are die cut, and the edges are raised silver foil with the purpley pink ombre. So there we go. There's that. All right, here we go. I think this is the Pipsticks sticky notes that they were talking about. So this is super cute. I'm loving this shape, living for the I love you. This is awesome. Super excited. I know that since we've had so many briefings lately, that a lot of the sign language interpreters have really gotten a lot of airtime with their amazing translations. So this is all stuck to this rectangular cardboard so you can keep them all together. So let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. So look, you can see that is really cute. So you can just sit there on your desk, and these post-it notes come up like that, and it's almost to that edge. This one is glued right here. Comes up with that in great bookmarks. This heart is the same. All you need is love is just like your traditional post-it note. And then these are sticky at the bottom, so you would just pull it up like that. So let's get a close-up of that. That is super fun and cool. Reminder notes, love notes, sticky notes in your planner, in your journal, never looked as good. All right, I guess we could bring out our pen. Look at that cute little squishy fox. Squishy, squishy, squishy fox. Oh my goodness. So cute and squishy. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. All right, let's scribble to get him started. Here, oh, there we go. It just had a covering on the tip. So let's see. All you need is love. Let's see. I love Pipsticks. Here we go. That's a nice bold black. I believe it's a gel pen. All right, and last but not least, it's our washi. So let's pull out our notebook and sample the washi. There we go. We've got the same pattern that matches the cover. We've got the hearts, the two-tone hearts, and we have the I love you, peace sign, and thumbs up washi. So let's get a sample of that in the front of this notebook. Let's just do it horizontally because, you know, they're super cute and we don't want to miss any of their patterns. So there is this one. Here we go, there's that one. Here is the hearts. And the last one, this super fun berry leaf and flower pattern. So that'll be super cute, sealing letters, putting in your planner, making borders, and things like that. So there we have it. There is the washi. All right, there we go. That was the December booster box. I want to thank y'all for liking, subscribing, and following me on all things social. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!